This image presents an exotic and vibrant dining room, blending global styles to create a unique and dynamic atmosphere. The room features a large, sturdy wooden dining table surrounded by chairs upholstered with colorful, African-inspired patterns. The vivid blues, reds, yellows, and oranges of the fabric give the space a lively, eclectic feel. Behind the table, the wall is adorned with a striking tapestry made from woven textiles, featuring an array of geometric shapes and rich colors, further enhancing the room's global influence. Large woven baskets are also displayed on the wall, adding texture and depth. A tall indoor plant in the corner provides a touch of greenery, balancing the bold design choices with natural elements. The natural light streaming through the expansive windows highlights the colors and textures, creating an inviting, warm environment. This fusion of African design elements with modern furniture and accents creates a unique space that celebrates cultural diversity while maintaining a welcoming and stylish atmosphere.